This video will show you how to make milk-based drinks using the Smeg integrated coffee machine. Begin by removing the lid of the milk carafe. Press the buttons on the side of the lid and then lift upwards. Fill the container with a sufficient quantity of milk, not exceeding the max level marked on the container. Each mark on the side of the container corresponds to about 100 millilitres of milk. For a denser and more even froth, we recommend using chilled skimmed or partially skimmed milk. Make sure the milk intake tube is correctly inserted in the bottom of the milk container lid, and then reposition the lid back onto the container. If already located in the machine, remove the hot water or steam spout. By pushing the bottom, attach the milk container to the nozzle. Place the appropriate size cup under the coffee spouts and froth milk spout. Then adjust the length of the milk spout to move it nearer to the cup, simply by pulling it downwards. To manually prepare a milk-based coffee, select the desired coffee option from the menu screen. Once complete, select the milk frothing option. Depending on the drink being made, turn the dial located on the milk carafe to either no froth, ideal for cafe latte, minimum froth for latte macchiato, or max froth for cappuccino. If making drinks using the preset drinks menu, select the desired coffee option. Select the required beverage from the home page, and these include cappuccino, latte macchiato, cafe latte, hot milk, cappuccino plus, espresso macchiato, flat white and cappuccino mix. The machine will now recommend turning the foam adjustment to the appropriate position on the dial. This can be found on the top of the milk carafe. After a few seconds, the preparation of the coffee will begin and an image of the selected beverage appears on the display, together with a progress bar which gradually fills as the coffee is produced. If you wish to stop the preparation of the coffee at any point, press the stop button. If you wish to add an extra shot of coffee, press the extra button. It's possible to customise the preset programs. If you wish to do so, please click on the link in the description to see the video on how to do this. For best results, return the milk carafe to the fridge. Once milk goes to temperatures above 5 degrees centigrade, the ability to produce good milk foam decreases. Due to the milk foam being produced in the pipework of the milk carafe, it's important to run it through a cleaning cycle after each use. The automatic program will just clean the lid pipework. Place a vessel underneath the steam wand. Turn the milk froth adjustment dial to the clean option to start the cleaning. The digital display will also indicate that the cleaning has started. The cleaning will automatically stop when the program is complete. To clean the steam wand, use a soft cloth. If a number of milk-based drinks need to be made, only clean the milk container after preparing the last beverage. To proceed with making the next beverages, press the back symbol. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.